Hello everyone, let us take a simple example, that is I have a string and from this I want to extract only the unique characters. I want to remove all the duplicates and I want to show which characters are unique, and at the end I can display like this. So these are the characters which are unique, and also I can include how many characters are unique, that is the count of the total characters which are unique. I can use a for loop for I in A. So print of I. So what happens? So this will list out all the characters in this string A. Okay, so now I want to store only the unique characters. What I will do is I will create a set called as B, and I am going to add this I to B. Okay, so since set will not allow duplicates, only the original values will be stored in B. Okay, so let me add this I to B. So you know how to add I to B. So that is B or operator I. This will add each character to the set. So at last we can print the unique characters R. So I can use 0 dot format comma B, and similarly comma the count of. So here I can use length of B. Okay, so when I print this particular statement, and these are the unique characters, and total number of unique characters is 7.